Hi friend, my name is Shibnit Kumar. You are watching my YouTube channel Physics with Sanjit. This is a class 10 chapter number first light. This is my second video. In this chapter, we will discuss basically all the theory regarding definition of mirror. Let us start. First, what is spherical mirror? Spherical mirror is a reflection surface which form of the part of hollow sphere. That means this is a sphere, is hollow sphere. Suppose let us cut this part. This is a dotted line. When we cut, what happens? We can see that this is a cutting part of hollow spherical mirror. When we polished this surface, depending on suppose we polished outer surface of hollow spherical or inner surface. There are two possibility depending on the polished spherical mirror. Two types. Let us type of spherical mirror. There are two types of spherical mirror. First, concave mirror. What is a concave mirror? A spherical mirror in which outer blood surface is silvered. Outer, that means this is the outer blood surface is silvered, polished, and reflection of light takes place from inner hollow sphere. That means this is the outer surface is polished and is reflection of light. Suppose this is incident light reflect in inner hollow sphere. This is called a concave mirror. That means simply concave mirror is when spherical hollow spherical polished outer surface and reflection take place in inner surface. This is called the concave. Convex is just its opposite. A spherical mirror is in which the inner hollow sphere is silvered and or reflection of take light place from the outer blood surface. This is called convex mirror. This is in this case inner surface is polished and reflection take place from outer surface. This is called the convex mirror. Now let us next part. There are some important definition regarding spherical mirror. This is in this case we draw this spherical mirror. This is a point P, A, B, C. Let us now discuss what is a point. This is a point. First, pole. In this chapter, we will know that what is a pole. It is a middle point of the spherical mirror. That is what is a pole. This is a middle point of the spherical mirror. This is a pole. Suppose any spherical mirror cutting concave or convex. Let us start. Convex. What is it? This is a middle point. This is called pole. Middle point. Center of curvature. It is a center C of a sphere of which the mirror form a part. That means it is a center C. Center C. Hollow spherical is also center. Suppose this is not good form. This is a sphere. What is a center C? Same type. This is suppose I am cutting. Now I want to cut this part. Suppose this is a dotted line. What happened? What is its center? Also it is a center C. This is a part. This is let us start convex mirror. What happened? This it is a center of a sphere of which the mirror form part of. That means same. This is the center of hollow sphere. When cut this portions dotted line, what happened? Also when anyone want to ask what is the center of curvature, same. This is cut part also is the center of curvature C. Radius of curvature, if the radius are equal to in this case radius are equal to AC equal to BC is equal to of the sphere of which the mirror form part. Principal axis, the line passes through the pole and the center of curvature is called the principal axis. This is a line passes. This is called the principal axis. Line passes through the pole and center of curvature. This is a principal line passes through the pole and center of curvature. This is called the principal axis. Center of curvature. The center of curvature of the mirror of each center is the part of the mirror. I have written 2 times later. Aperture, the plane surface area of mirror through which the light rays enter and fall on the mirror is called aperture. Let the plane surface of area. This is a plane surface of area where light. This is a plane surface of area where light falls. This is a plane surface of area. The plane surface of area of mirror through which the light ray is enter and the falls on the mirror is called aperture. This is also called plane surface area of light enter. This is a plane surface of area. Aperture, focus and focal length. This is important. What is the focus and focal length? A narrow beam of light parallel to the principal axis. A narrow beam of light parallel to principal axis either actually converge to or appear to diverge from the point F. That is this is a point F, parallel beam of light in parallel beam of light parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis. Light beam is this is parallel line. This is a parallel line. What happens when this is when falls on the parallel principal on the mirror? After that reflection, it meets at the point or appear to be meet at the point of on the principal axis. After the reflection from the spherical mirror, this is called the principal focus of mirror. This is called principal focus. This is principal focus. That means the principal focal length. This is called principal focal. This is called principal from focal length from pole to principal from pole to focus distance is called the focal length. Thank you for watching me. Next video we will discuss, I think what I think mirror formula and how to measure distance, focal length or anyone image height. Before this we will discuss, before this topic we will discuss how to image formation, concave mirror and convex mirror. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel video.